C.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, August 22nd, 2012. I'm Bob Cervera.
And I'm Elizabeth McGiffin, filling in for meteorologist William C. Now, today is going to be even hotter than it was yesterday, so another mid-90 degree out there.
Yeah, William was reporting 95 degrees for today, and I was about to strangle him.
You know what? We're going to be working our way back closer to normal. Taking a look outside right now, though, not too bad out there. We have very few clouds, mostly clear sky for us. And right now that temperature is sitting at 57 degrees, dew point at 53, so supporting a bit of moisture for us out there. Barometer is staying steady though at 30 inches, and those winds are staying calm and from the north throughout the state though. St. Joseph is one of the cooler spots for us, 57 degrees as we just saw, but Springfield already warming up to 71 degrees, 60s throughout the state of Kansas though. That satellite and radar composite for us, not very much is going on, staying very clear for us, and that is going to be a trend that we see continuing throughout the rest of the day for us. Now that is going to be due to some high pressure throughout the area, but look at this, we have a low pressure system starting to build. It's going to work its way through Thursday across the state of Iowa and bring along with it a chance of showers before we hit the weekend. Today, though, that day planner is looking to be 85 for your high before we bottom out at 62 degrees for your low tonight. Bob, back to you at the news desk. And if we can make it through today's hot, high temperatures, then we have some relief in sight. More on this, though, coming up. Welcome back, everyone. Starting off with that look outside, we have plenty of clear sky out there. Currently, though, that temperature is 57 degrees. Winds, though, staying very light out of the north, so while we may be feeling in some of that cooler air, it's still not going to be enough to bring in relief from a hot, high temperature today. Right now, St. Joseph, one of the coolest spots on the map right now. 60s throughout the rest of the state of Missouri, with the exception of Springfield, one of the warmer spots on there, actually sitting at 71 degrees, 75 as we work our way a little farther south, down onto Tulsa. Satellite and radar composite, though, you aren't going to see much changing on here because we are going to be seeing a clear sky as we work our way on into the afternoon hours. Very similar situation throughout most of the Midwest, seeing high pressure dominate, but that high pressure is going to continue to work its way on off to the east, making way for a low pressure, so a bit of a change of pace to push its way across that Iowa border. Today, though, warming up to 94 degrees, so a bit on the warm side. 62 degrees for tonight, keeping that clear sky, but bringing in some breezy conditions, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Those strong winds sticking along with us for tomorrow when we top out a bit chillier than what we saw, or what we're going to be seeing today rather, but still into some low 90s, 92 degrees for tomorrow. And here's a look at that extended. We have a chance for some rainfall come Friday night, but temperatures for the most part are going to be on the decline as we work our way on into next week. So seeing some 80-degree temperatures work their way back on into the forecast, but as we wrap up the week, we're going to be still trending down, but into the 90s, so still a bit on the warm side.
Yeah, but getting toward Monday, not bad, and the weekend looks fantastic. I hope we get that rain.
Exactly. It's going to be a pretty comfortable, and actually, that rain chance is starting to look pretty good for us.
Okay, good. That's good to hear. Thanks, Elizabeth.
I don't even feel like this is fashion forward. I mean, Elizabeth, come on, what's your take on this? Would you wear this?
I don't know. I kind of like the spin that I feel like I would be like a part of Star Wars if I was wearing this. I'm not really the hat person to begin with, but I feel like it's a costume almost. Absolutely. I would totally like be all about like, I feel like I'd need to carry my lightsaber at all times too, to be on the safe side.
Well, I would love to see that. Well, I guess it is about safety. It's 5:58. We have another half hour of Hometown This Morning right after this.